Hello. Welcome to Adult Education. We are glad you have joined us on the journey to complete your GED. Our GED classes will help you learn what you need to know so that you will be successful in passing the 4 exams. You must get a passing score of 145 on each of the exams: reading, social studies, science, and math. Our instructors are here to assist you. You are expected to attend class regularly, participate in class, and complete all classwork and assignments. If you do these things, you too will earn your GED. So, what should you expect as a student in the adult education program? Well, first, the state of Georgia requires that you attend a minimum of 6 hours of class time per week, either in person or online. If you're absent or miss parts of the class sessions during the week, you must make up the missed time in one of the approved online platforms. Ask your instructor which online platforms are approved to use to make up any missed class time. Those required 6 hours must be completed within the week. If you're sick or have a situation that prevents you from attending all or part of class session, you're still expected to make up the missed time. Second, you are expected to come to class prepared to learn. Arrive to class on time and sign in. The standard school supplies, which include the notebook, pen or pencil, and paper, are to be brought with you to every class session. During class, you are expected to be active and participating. Classwork and homework are to be completed as assigned. Class runs for 4 hours with a break, and you are expected to arrive on time and stay until class is dismissed. Third, make sure you stay in contact with their instructor. If you're going to be late to class, or if you will be absent, contact your instructor immediately. When an instructor does not get communication from a student, the instructor may conclude that the student is not returning and may remove the student from class. Fourth, be respectful and polite to all students and instructors. Class disruptions and disrespect will not be tolerated and can result in being permanently removed from the program. So, now you know what to expect as a student in the adult education program. GED classes are not easy. If you come to class, work hard, and do your classwork and assignments, you will get and see results. This has been a production of DNJDesigns and Mathman1962. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up. If you want to be notified when new videos are posted, click the bell. And if you want to see more videos like this one, click on the subscribe button.